So today I'll be going to a river that is in St. Catherine. Is this focus? Yes. So I'll be going to a river that is in St. Catherine, Portmore side to be exact. Caymanas River, or I don't know if that's the correct name for it. I haven't been to a river in ages since the lockdown, and since bro God say yo open up the river, then I say alright, then I go the river. Yeah, it's been ages. I don't know what the river look like right now, and I am going to take you on a journey to the river. So I'm here. So this is the entrance to go to Ocharias. Hello? 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 Yeah. I don't know. Or you want me to go to the gate itself and wait for you at the gate, or just wait for you inside? Alright. Alright. Oh. Alright. Yeah. So this is what happens when you wait. Me reach a place, right, and the person at the gate tell me say I need to pay extra money to actually vlog in here. When someone say vlog, I can understand that this brother is a very ignorant guy based on how he talk, right? And I'm like, yo, the man I try to hustle me, you know. Me I said, John no star. You tell me say I can't walk with a vlogging camera. So you know what happened now? I probably would have to be using. I have to use my phone because I really can't bother with the drama. Man say I try to involve police because it's a private property and all them type of thing there. I should pay additional money to vlog in here, and I'm like, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. So right now, this is basically my vlogging setup, and I'm like, yo, the man want to pay additional money just to work with this. I don't know how my phone quality looks, but just know that I am going to try and experience this place on a different level. Well, I have my GoPro still, so I'll probably try and vlog with my GoPro, but I don't know how it sounds. So sorry for the poor quality, but I'm gonna try to sneak around it the same way, you see me? Since him act that this is his property, I'm going to try and work around it, you see me? to be honest, I wasn't going to swim, you know. I wasn't going to go in the water or anything like that, because the brother at the gate and they threw me off. But it was pretty good, you know. It was pretty good. Too much people here, but it was pretty good. And I must say, why am I always say that? It was pretty good. So I don't know which other river I'm going to go next, or which one I'm going to go next. But here we are. I'll see you again in the next one. Peace. Whoosh.